One of the number one reasons people give for not working out is lack of time. So I've designed these workouts to be 15 minutes or less. Today's workout, moderate intensity cardio. Lower and higher impact options are offered. So if you're ready, lace up those shoes, grab that water bottle, and let's go. Okay, are you ready to get started? Check out this warm-up if you need to warm up a little bit longer. So what we're going to start with is uppercut, and then tap front. All right, begin. Every move is going to be 50 seconds with a 10-second rest in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, tap front. So you could use this as a warm-up because it's an easier movement. All of these movements you can make it higher intensity if you want to. Tap. And again, uppercut. And go at a speed that feels good to you. There's a reason I didn't choose beat mix music today. Because I want you to go at a pace that feels good. All right, almost there. Okay, next movement, squat, kick, front, out, in. You ready? So start with your squat and kick, forward, out. Kick, forward, out. So I want you to challenge yourself, but I also want you to think about something. When you look in the mirror, is there something about your body that you're not happy with? Maybe it's a feature of your body or something about the aging process, wrinkles, bags under the eyes. Think about those things that you feel like, oh, I need to fix that. I wish I could fix that. One more. Rest. Next movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull, pull. Are you ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee pull, knee pull. So for most of my life, I hated my legs, hated them. I would look in the mirror and I would think they're too skinny, they're too pale. I have cellulite, I have stretch marks. So I avoided wearing anything that showed my legs my entire life for decades. And one day, I was talking to a friend of mine who is in phenomenal shape, and she was complaining about how she didn't like her legs. She didn't like her calves. She didn't like her midsection. And I could not believe that she felt that way. I was stunned. This is somebody I thought had the perfect body. Rest, and she still wasn't happy. And that made me realize, we got 1, 2, 3 knee, and then a knee front kick, and a knee front kick. Okay, go. Made me realize so often we fixate on some part of our body that we're not happy with, and we feel like it's not good enough. We're broken. We're not worthy. How much time and emotional energy we waste negative thoughts about our own bodies. How those thoughts, they affect everything. They affect how you see yourself, how you show up for others, choices you make in your life. They have this downstream effect. Our children pick up on these things. Rest. Next move. You can jump if you want. Reach up. And then over. 2, 3, 4. Straight up. Across. Go. Across. Over. 2, 3, 4. So you could jump. Cross. Jump. Cross. Over. 2, 3, 4. Now we think that if we could just change those parts of our body that we think are not perfect, we would be so much happier. Our lives would be so much better. would be worthy. But it's not true. It is so not true. You're totally worthy right now. We're constantly comparing ourselves to filtered, edited images of women that are just as insecure as we are. They're not even real life pictures. Whether we consciously know it or not, we start to feel flawed. We start to feel like we're not good enough because we don't look like those people that we see. Next move, we have squat, twist, up, 2, 3. Squat, twist, 1, 2, 3. Go. Now, of course, you can keep this all low. 1, 2, 3. Remember, this is moderate intensity. I'm just showing you higher intensity options in case you want to make it higher today. Do you realize we're trying to fit some beauty ideal that changes every few years? Bodies go in and out of fashion. It's like what's in now will be out later, just like jeans. It's ridiculous. When I was younger, small butts. Now it's bigger butts, tiny waist, big boobs, big lips. Rest. Okay, so we have med ball slam. Pretend you got a med ball. Reach, 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 reach. Slam, slam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Slam, slam. 1, 2. Pivot the feet. Okay. Now, if you're on carpet, you're gonna have to lift those feet. Okay. Now, I realized this was a realization I had. I have a lot of friends that are trainers and instructors, and they all have insecurities. They're all fixated on something they want to fix about themselves. These people that we think they have perfect bodies, they're probably so happy, right? I decided I could spend the rest of my life hating some part of my body, or I could start working on changing my thoughts about my body. You heard the phrase perception is reality. Rest, out, 2, 3, 4, and then scissor or tap back. So whatever we perceive as reality becomes our reality. So if you perceive yourself as flawed, needing to be fixed, that becomes your reality. Our thoughts aren't always fact, okay? We have thoughts and they're not always true. You could jack that. I'm giving you options here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Scissor. Did you know you have anywhere from 50 to 70,000 thoughts a day? 80% of the thoughts you have are negative. 95% of the thoughts you have repeat day after day after day. So if we're constantly thinking those negative thoughts about ourselves day after day, that becomes our reality. Rest. Now this one has some impact. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, knee, 1, 2, 3, knee, jog, jack. Or 1, 2, 3, knee. You could stay in place. You don't have to travel, okay? 1, 2, 3, knee. I just have space here, so go back if you got it. So you can go back, up, go forward, jack, or tap out, okay? You could march back. Just do something. Just keep that heart rate up, keep moving. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Perfect is an illusion. You're almost there. How you feel? Jack. One more time. Remember, you're going at your own pace. You don't have to match mine. Rest. So this one, we're going to move laterally. You're going to go over, tap back. Over, tap back. Or 2 steps, tap back. Okay? Start. So it depends on how much space you've got, what kind of flooring you're working out on. reach, reach. If you're on carpet, I don't recommend a shuffle. Easier to get kind of caught up in the carpet. Now, if you got shag carpet, girl, it's time to upgrade. Hello, the 70s are calling. They want the rug back. Now, it might be back in. I have no idea. Come back. One thing I have learned working with female clients over the last 28 years of being a coach is that if you don't work on the inside on your thoughts about yourself, even if you change the outside, you're not going to be happy. You have to address those thoughts about yourself. Rest. This one's a little mambo move. Forward, forward, reach up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, up. It's dancing. Just humor me. 1, 2, 3. Do, do, do. So focus on doing the inner work when you do your outer work. You have to find that true peace with yourself. Not just when I fix this, when I weigh this, when I can wear this number size jeans, I'm worthy. I'll be loved. I'll be able to accept myself. Because our bodies are going to change over time. We age. We have babies. This crazy notion that women have to be back in their jeans after 6 weeks of giving birth is insane to me. It took me a year. And I was an instructor teaching 5 days a week. Okay, this move we'll do on both sides. So you'll hammer down, knee, kick, knee. Hammer, knee, kick, knee. Go, knee, kick, knee. You could go deeper, bigger movement. You want to make it harder? You go. Kick, knee. Guess what happens if you mess up? Nothing. Nothing. You still burn calories. Did you know that things that you're less efficient at, you burn more calories at than something you're very efficient at? Your body just adapts and burns fewer calories. Whew. That's why. Now, I don't want to give the impression you should mix up your workouts every single day. You don't want to do that with strength training. Progressive overload is the key. Cardio, that's fine. There are some things that you want to get better at over time. That's strength training. And time, one more left. So turn around, and it's hammer, knee, kick, knee. You ready? And go. This is your last one. Hammer, knee, kick, knee. Hammer, knee, kick, knee. Now keep working. I want to leave you with this. Think about the women in your life that you love, that have always been there for you. You don't think about the fact that they have chiseled arms or six-pack abs or contoured cheekbones. It's great if they do, but that's not why you love them, right? You love them because of how they make you feel. They support you. They're there for you. You're having bad days and great days. You're not thinking about what they look like. The people that love you the most are not thinking about that. You are. You're putting so much importance on this and this when it's actually here. It's here that really matters the most, right? So be selective, time, about what you expose yourself to on social media. If it doesn't inspire you and motivate you, unfollow it. Really leave room in your definition of beauty for you, because you belong in that definition. It really, as cliche as it sounds, it's what's on the inside that matters the most. So take care of your inside while you take care of your outside. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a great day. You're awesome, and I'll see you next time. Bye. You did a great job in that cardio workout. Now, if you're looking to work your core strength in that midsection, check out this mat core workout right here.